Hello everyone, I'm Lakshmi Aras. In this video, I'll be teaching you all about selection sort. What does this word selection, that is select itself, say? Selection means what? To choose something. So in this way, we have to sort the elements given. That is, we have to choose the element and then sort. So in the selection sort, what we do is, we take one element and if there is any other element lower than that, then we swap it with that. And we keep on doing that and then we reach at a certain point that no other element can be smaller than that element becomes the sorted element. So let's see the example. Here the examples are, example A is 70, 50, 20, 10 and 30. So first we have to write past one and we have to write this sequence as it is. Then we have to check. The first element over here is 70. So after 70 we have to choose that, and after 70 we have to check for its smaller element. So the smaller element over here is 50. So we have to swap these two. That is, 50 will go into the place of 70 and 70 will come into the place of 50. And then next, after this gets swapped, we have to check with this sequence now. 50. Is there any element smaller than 50? 70, it is not smaller. It is greater. So next element, 20. 20 is obviously smaller than 50. So we have to swap 50 and 20. So 20 goes into the place of 50 and 50 comes into the place of 20. So after that, 20. We have to check for the number smaller than 20. 70 is there in the second place, that is larger. 50, that is also obviously larger. Then the third position, we have 10. So 10 is obviously smaller than 20. So 20 and 10 will be swapped. So 10 will go into the place of 20 and 20 will come into the place of 10. Then 10, 70, 50, 20, 30 is the sequence we get. The first element is 10. Is there any number smaller than 10 over here? No. Hence, 10 is sorted. After the sorting element, we have to go for past 2. In past 2, we have to write the same sequence, 10, 70, 50, 20, 30. We write it. As 10 is sorted, we have to leave that element and then go for the next number. So, here 70, 50, 20, 30 is the numbers. So, we have to check. The second number is 70. After this, which number is smaller than 70 over here? 50 is smaller. So 50 and 70 get swapped with each other. So 50 will go into the place of 70 and 70 will come into the place of 50. Next, after that, 50, 70, 20, 30. We have to check the number which is smaller than 50. First number which is smaller than 50. So after that, 70 is there. 70 is also greater. So next element, that is 20. 20 is smaller than 50, right? So we have to swap these two. That is, 20 will go into the place of 50 and 50 will come into the place of 20. So 10 is already swapped. Then 20. Is there any element smaller than 20 over here? No. 70 is also greater. 50 is also greater. 30 is also greater. So 20 is also sorted over here. So 10 and 20 both are sorted. So after this, we have to go for past 3. In past 3, we have to write this sequence itself. That is 10, 20, 70, 50, 30. Now 10 and 20 are already sorted. So we have to move on to the third element, that is 70. We have to check for the element which is smaller. So 70 is the element. So smaller element than 70 is 50. So we have to swap these two. That is, 50 will go into the place of 70 and 70 will come into the place of 50. Afterwards, 50. We have to check the element smaller than 50. 70 is not smaller. 30. 30 is smaller than 50. So we have to swap that element. That is, 30 will go into the place of 50 and 50 will come into the place of 30. Then the sequence will be 10, 20, 30, 70, 50. There is no element smaller than 30 after 30. So 30 will be sorted over here. That is, 30 is sorted. Then after that, we'll have to move on to the past 4. Here the past 4 is, we have to write this sequence itself. That is 10, 20, 30, 70, 50. Now 10, 20, 30. All these 3 are sorted. So the remaining 2 elements now are 70 and 50. 70 is greater. 70 is the larger element. So we have to check the smaller element than 70. So obviously it is the last element, that is 50. 50 is smaller than 70. So obviously these both should be swapped. So 50 will go into the place of 70 and 70 will come into the place of 50. Then the sequence will be like 10, 20, 30, 50, 70. Now no element is smaller than 50 after 50. So 50 will be sorted. and then the last element remaining is 70. There are no further elements, that is the last element, so obviously 70 must also be sorted. So this is all nothing but selection sort. The main important concept for this is we have to take one single element, then check for the smaller element than that in the sequence wise, and then we have to keep on swapping, and when we reach at the situation like there are no smaller elements than that element, then that element will be the sorted element. So this was all about selection sort. I hope you all have understood this selection sort very well. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like this video. Thank you.